Sauce on your nigga, got the sauce on me. Boast like a young nigga was sauce on me. Pull up on your shorty.
If you're new to the channel, subscribe.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy MRC back with another video, man. And currently I am at Target. I'm at Target right now.
Alright, excuse my ashy lips, man. I was hot. I live in Arizona. I was a little dehydrated, you know what I mean? Like, it's bound to happen. Anyways.
Sorry, I just finished eating on some chips. Well, I still have more, but you know, I have to start the vlog because I got in Target and I'm looking for a water bottle, for a Gatorade bottle actually. And with this Gatorade bottle, as you can tell by the title, what I'm gonna be doing is sneezing on people. So it should be funny, man. We fake sneezing. Oh, they do sell it. Okay, so we got the bottle right here. $6. Can't beat that. Love you, Target. Thank you. So we're about to basically get into this, man. We're about to go around and basically sneeze on people. I'm excited. This is gonna be funny, man. I'm on a hurry. I came in here by myself. Sergio and Jack are in the car still. So I came in by myself, just trying to get this done real quick. Get into this video, man. I'm excited. So yeah, what we're gonna do, basically go around escorting people, acting like we're sneezing. Alright guys, so we just got the bottle. I'm walking out of Target right now. Got that receipt so they can't try to act like I stole that thing. Wait. Where's Sergio at? Oh shit. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
What is that?
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. Sorry about that, bro. Sorry about that. To the chorus kid, whoever wrong.
Sneeze? Was that a sneeze?
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Oh, super gross.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just. Hey, so we currently have to pause the video because Jack forgot to put on deodorant today. So show him, let him sniff him. Let him sniff him. Just let him sniff him. Ah, shit. Yeah. So we gotta take a pause real quick, but we're gonna pick the video back up after this. He just has to get some deodorant. All right. Oh. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Sorry. Sorry.
And oh. You're f***ing nasty.
Sorry. I'm sick. I'm sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
He said, holy shit.
Ugh. Oh, I am in the right aisle. Medicine.
Oh, fuck! Hey, man, why did you sneeze on him? What the hell is you doing?
My bad.
No, that's not your bad.
Sorry about that.
Nah, you want to go outside?
No.
Let's go outside. No, let's go outside. Come
What?
on.
Why are you acting?
No, let's go outside.
I didn't even.
You just did it again?
No.
Let's go
Sir, I'm sorry. I'm just sick. I'm just. Excuse me. Sorry about that.
Right here?
Yeah, the brown one over there, way over there.
This one right here?
Yeah,
Get it forward, Jack.
the other one.
The other one.
Sorry.
Look at you making a mess.
There's more in there.
Get it forward, Jack.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll go through. Oh,
We always do good deeds.
thank you, guys.
You're welcome, miss. You want this one
Give me
too?
that one, yeah.
Have a great day, miss.
You too. Thank you.